I am going to do a brief presentation on how to eat healthy. Cannabis, the food pyramid. So, at the very top is junk food. So, very less of it. Then comes meat and dairy products. Eat a lot of that. Like 2 servings each day. Then you also need to eat your vegetables 2 servings each day. And after that comes fruits.